In this video, I'm going to show you how you can animate images, videos, and text on Canva, and just how you can use the Canva animate feature. Now, it's important to note that with this feature, you can spice up your videos a little bit, but you're not going to be able to create any groundbreaking animations, right? This is just for simple animations. So whether you're creating a YouTube video, Facebook videos, whatever video, you need to type it into the search bar, and then you want to edit from a Canva template. So if you go to see all, you can go ahead and then choose a template if you need to, or if you don't want a template, you can just create from a blank document, and we can start to now create a video, right? So you've obviously got a reason in mind for creating a video with Canva. There are many things that you can animate and many things that you can do, but obviously it depends on your project goals. Now, down here you've got page 1 and you can add multiple pages, which is essentially like multiple scenes. So if we go to page 1, we'll go ahead and add a background, and if we go to elements and type in bar, we will get better results. And here we've got access to all Canva's bar graphics, bar photos, bar videos, frames, and so on. Now we're going to go to photos, and I'm going to try and select a bar image. We'll select this one, and I can then use this as kind of like my background. So here we've got a bar. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the search elements tab again, and I'm going to just search for man. Now here we're going to be given different graphics that we can use. Now some of these are already going to be animated, some of these are going to be still images. So you can see this man is walking. We want to choose one which is going to be relevant to the bar setting. So maybe this guy in a suit dancing, we can use him. So if we drag it on, we can put this man, I don't know, we'll put him standing here. And we can go ahead and animate this man, right? So if we go ahead and place him wherever we need to, we can click on it, go to animate, and you can use the Canva photo animation tool to animate this man. Now, again, don't expect miracles here, but when you're dealing with video and you want to animate pictures, or maybe you want to animate text, it can really just add something to your video, right? So choose one which works good for you. Maybe this works. And we can change the intensity, but this is a Canva Pro feature, so we'll just keep it on this intensity. Now we can change the page duration. And now let's just play our video and see how it looks. So now we've got a man. I interpret this as a man kind of just like shouting at the bartender, or maybe he's dancing. Yeah, so let's say he's dancing and not shouting. So now we can start to build out the next scene if we wanted to. So now this man's dancing, maybe we want him to say some text and animate the text as well. So if we go to text, we can add a heading here. This man is saying great music. And then we can go ahead and highlight this. I'm going to bring the size down a little bit. I'm going to change the color. I'm also going to go to elements, and if we just search for speech bubble, we can probably put this text into a speech bubble. So we'll go graphics and we'll just choose this one here. And then I'm going to take this text and bring it forward. And I'm also going to change the color back to black. We can also animate this text and this speech bubble. You can animate any element. So if you click on the text, you can go ahead and go to effects. You can add some text effects, as well as the speech bubble. We can go ahead and animate that as well. So maybe we want the speech bubble to like animate up. And if we go to the text here, we can go ahead and get the text to appear at a certain time on the frame. So you can see the speech bubble is not here yet. So we want the text to appear here when the speech bubble pops up. So if we go to more, we can go show timing, and you can kind of like drag this text to when you want it to appear. So let's play this. So there you go. I mean, you get the point, right? You can animate different things on Canva. There's not really a better solution to doing this, and you can't really do anything much more advanced than this, but that works. That's how you can do it. I hope that video helped you out.